Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to Omega Pi IIT JN Gate channel. If you have not subscribed Omega Pi IIT JN Gate, please subscribe and share with your friend and hit the bell icon to get the latest video notification. It will hardly take only 10 seconds. This is a series of signal and system. In this series, we are going to solve previous year question of GATE from 1992 to 2000. This is question number 8. What is given in the question? The RMS value of the periodic waveform given in the figure. Basically, we have to find RMS value. This question asked in 2004, asked by IIT Delhi. If you have not watched my previous video, please watch because I have solved 4 similar types of question where RMS value is asked and we have given waveform. This is a very similar type of question. Let's get started. First of all, we have to find RMS value. We have to find RMS value. If you have to find RMS value, we have to know average value. We know relation between RMS value and average value. What we know? Because this relation I think in video number 3, 4, 5, this is a similar type of question where I have solved RMS value. RMS value is nothing but under root of average value. If you have don't know how this relation came, please watch my previous video. What is formula for average value? For it will be 1 by T naught integration over 1 fundamental time period. We have to integrate the waveform given is current waveform. We have to square dt. This is the formula for average value. We can calculate average value by using this formula, and we can substitute average value and take it square root. We get RMS value. This is the procedure which I am going to follow to calculate our RMS value. Let's get started. First of all, let me evaluate T node. Let me define what is T node. T node is known as fundamental time period. Fundamental time period. All of you have to let where T node is fundamental time period for one cycle. Let me consider one cycle. This is our one cycle which I have marked with blue pen. After this cycle is repeated, we can consider it one cycle. So we can say T node basically fundamental time period must be equals to capital T. Understood this part? We can write average value. Now we are going to substitute. Average value will be equals to 1 upon, in place of T node I can substitute capital T. We have to integrate over 1 fundamental time period, which will be equals to 0 to T I of T square dt. Let me close the bracket. I can further simplify. It will be 1 by T. First cycle is 0 to T by 2 mod of IT square dt. Another cycle is from T by 2 to T by 2 to capital T I T square dt. All of you understood why I have written like this? Because first cycle equation is different and another cycle equation is different. Understood? From 0 to T by 2 I have to find the equation of IT. Let me write this equation of straight line. This point will be, its x coordinate will be T by 2 and y coordinate will be 6, and one point is passing through origin. So we can say one point will be capital T by 2 comma minus 6 and another point will be origin. If you know 2 point, how to find equation of line passing through 2 point, it will be y by x. It will be y by x. We can understood minus 6 upon capital T by 2. Understood how to write equation of line passing through 2 point by using this formula. y minus y1 divided by x minus x1, it will be equals to y2 minus y1 whole divided by x2 minus x1. This formula I have used to calculate equation of line. In place of y, we have it. I can replace it. In place of x, it will be t. It will be minus 12 divided by capital T. Our equation will be, we have to find it. We can write it minus 12 by capital T multiply with small t. Understood this part, all of you? How I have solved? This is equation of it from 0 to t by 2. Understood? Let me substitute. We can write average value will be equals to, it will be 1 by t from 0 to t by 2. 0 to t by 2, our equation will become minus 12 by divided by capital T multiply with small t square with dt. Understood? From t by 2 to t, from t by 2 to capital T. What is equation of it? From t by 2 to t. Focus on this part. It will be this part which I am highlighting. Let me write with another pen. It will become 6. Understood this part? From t by 2 to t. Understood all of you? From t by 2 to it will become, it equation will become 6 square multiply with into dt. We have to further simplify. Our average value will become, it will be 1 by capital T integration from 0 to capital T by 2, 144 capital T square multiply with small t square dt, and another will be capital T by 2 to small t by 2 to capital T 6 square will be 36 dt. Our further, we have to further simplify. It will become 144 divided by capital T square, which will be constant. We can take it out of the integration. We have to integrate from 0 to t by 2 integration of t square dt, and 36 is constant. We can take it out of the integration. We have to integrate from t by 2 to t dt. We can further simplify. It will become 144 capital T square integration of t square will become t cube divided by 3. Lower limit will be 0 and upper limit will be t by 2. 36 dt integration will become t. From lower limit will be t by 2 and upper limit will be t. We can further simplify. This is basic calculation I am doing here. It will become 145 4 by capital T square. It will become, in place of small t, I have to substitute upper limit, which is capital T by 2. It will become t cube by 8 multiply with 3 minus 0. All of you have understood. 36 capital T minus small t by 2. Let me further simplify. It will become 1 by capital T. Here it will become, focus on here what I am doing here. It will become t square from denominator and numerator will be cancelled out, and 24 divided by 144, it will become 6. It will become capital 60 multiply with 36 t by 2. We can further simplify. It will become 18. We have to simplify further. This is the last step which we are, it will become 1 by t. 18 plus 6 will be 24 capital T. We can cancel out capital T from numerator as well as denominator. Our final answer will become 24. It will, this is our average value, but we have to find RMS value. RMS value is nothing but under root of average value. We can substitute average value, which is equals to 24. It will become 2 root 6. Our final answer is, this is MCQ type. We have given 4 options. Our final answer is 2 root 6. This is the RMS value. All of you have understood. This is the very similar type of question which I have teach in my, I think this similar type of question I solve in three similar type of questions solved in previous video. If you have not watched, please refer it because this is very basic type of question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will end this lecture here.